everyone. Okay, so I got my sew sampler. I got it in last week, but whew, yeah, life is crazy. So it's called Winter Orchard. All right, let's see what the coupon is. It's an okay coupon. I don't really use their coupons too much because they just, you know, how many I have like maybe 50 charm packs, maybe, probably more than that, but that I don't really use right now. So, you know, got to be a little selective. So diagonal seam tape. This is your 1/4 inch, and this is from Cluck Cluck Sew. So it's always good to have extra of this. So that's cool. That is valued at $6.98. And oh, we got some nice scissors, perfect scissors, it says, and these are valued at $23.48. Geez, expensive, but this will probably cut you open. So be careful of those. All right, and then oh, so we only got 3 things. This is the flowering block 8. I've only done 2, so I'm a little behind. But my husband is taking time off from going out of town for his acupuncture and his PT right now, so I might have a little bit more time. Well, after Saturday we're having a Christmas party, so $9.98 is this, and this one should be $4.98, I believe. Yeah, $4.98. So yeah, I just, oh lordy, you guys, it's never ending. I got so much to do. Oh, wild honey. This is wild honey, and this is, what is this? Is a layer cake? Because last one I opened, I thought it was a layer cake, but it was actually a fat quarter bundle that they folded like this. But this one is a junior layer cake, and I love everything Layla Boutique. Oh, I love her patterns. I love everything about this woman's stuff. So wild honey, and I'm gonna have another video right now. After this one with a haul from Green Fairy Quilts, and I believe Wild Honey is in there, so we'll see it more up close, I think. Alright, well maybe, because I think I might have gotten a jelly roll. So this is all we got. It's kind of interesting. I guess the big value was the scissors. So another one that I'm like, it's okay. But honestly, January, they bring out the big guns. January, their box is usually like amazing because they want to grab those new people for the new year who want to start, who got their Christmas sewing machine or whatever it is in December for Christmas, you know, and they want to hook people into getting the boxes each month. So I believe January's should be pretty cool. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to that one. I don't know what December's going to be, but this one's okay. So yeah, I mean, I think the box is like $45, so it's a little bit on the pricey side, and yeah, I hate getting little I hate getting like these things right here, you know, when I like a lot of, I don't know, I like a lot of stuff, I guess is what I like opening. But this is still good. It's still good value, everything else, but it's just, what do you think? You guys like it? Would you buy the box? Would you see this for your first time and go, oh, I really want the Sew Sampler box? That's what I want to know. So, alright guys, take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.